Is your sales team still planning based on Excel spreadsheets? Sales planning is the foundation for strategy and decision making. It is the basis for all planning. In today's world, you are faced with increasing challenges, such as crises and wars, complexity in the parts to be managed, and uncertainty due to political decisions. Is your team able to account for these challenges with an Excel-based planning process? And are you able to monitor and explain all updates? Strategies need to be flexible and responsive to market changes. This requires a new, dynamic and transparent process that always provides the latest view. As a global Tier 1 and Tier 2 supplier, it is mandatory to give this highest priority to stay competitive and resilient. The VISTAlution SaaS can help you here. Tailor-made for automotive, it integrates your ERP data, connects external vehicle production data, and provides a 360 degrees forecasting solution. If you want to find out how VISTAlution can support your long-term success, I'm looking forward to talking to you.